Hey everybody, Mick Levinskas here, talking again about climate and AI, and wanted to talk about biodiversity. And biodiversity is probably one of the most underinvested areas of climate technology and solutions. It's an area which has massive value, but is still very hard to understand and to measure and certainly to quantify. Which is a big negative. Obviously, we shouldn't have to quantify financially everything of value, but we don't appreciate the environment enough, therefore we don't appreciate biodiversity enough, so that's a bit of a negative spiral. But a few areas we can certainly help is actually around mapping, so understanding where nature is and how it works and how all these components interact, by thinking about the complexity of soil, the complexity of mushrooms, the complexity of different food chains and how they work in the ocean, in the lands, in different environments. So using AI to actually use computer vision and satellite mapping to really understand biodiversity much better and how we can protect it and look after it is really, really valuable. And an extension of that is mapping it out. So actually really understanding where biodiversity is, where it's the most valuable, where it should be most protected. So that combination of monitoring and mapping, I think, is really, really critical. And another area is protection. So poaching is one of the areas, and although I saw recently using, they were dyeing the rhino horns pink, so then they're actually not valuable as ivory. So that's really interesting. That's one way, but obviously AI as well, predicting where poaching is going to occur, and understanding again where the biggest danger spots are, and then we can obviously put in the most resources and protection in place. So again, hopefully AI can really help us solve some of the big problems around biodiversity. Thank you.